what I'd like to do is briefly show you how to access high-resolution images working within Google. So just as a hypothetical here, let's say you need something in the subject matter of American Indians. I've typed in American Indians into the search box in Google, and if I click on images, which is what I want, you get a category here with a variety of images here for American Indians. This is the key factor here. If you click on the Search Tools option, you get all these subcategories here, and if you then click on the Any Size option, you'll get a drop-down menu that will allow you to go to the Larger Than category. And if you select the 4 megapixel option, which tells you the size in pixels of the actual files that will be available to you, you select that, and then you'll come up with a number of options here. So let's just say I'm going to randomly choose the buffalo here. I'm seeing here in the thumbnail that the actual size is 2700 by 1761 pixels in size. Okay, so I'll select that. So I'm going to click on the View Original Image. So then what I'm going to do is right-click on this and select Copy Image. I'm then going to bounce over to Photoshop and hit Control-N or File New. And you'll note that whatever file size is in the clipboard, in other words, whatever you've just copied into the clipboard will show up by default as the new document size. So I'm going to hit OK, and then I'm going to paste that. Control-V. Comes in on its own layer. I will then compress that, so Control-E will merge down into a flattened document. So if we now go to image size, and we see that this file is in fact 2700 by 1761 pixels in size. So what we can then do is this. We can resample this image here, and you'll note here that the current image is 72 pixels per inch. However, the printed size or actual document size is 37.5 by approximately 25 inches in size. So we can resample that. Let's say our document called for a 300 pixel per inch file. Once I type in that 300 pixel per inch number, it will resample down to be, at this pixels per inch size, a 9-inch wide by 5 and, well, almost 6-inch high file. Before I hit OK, please note the ruler settings is up here. So watch what happens to this as it changes. So once I hit OK, that resamples down to be 9 inches by almost 6 inches in height. So let's just say now your final document for whatever you're working on is, and let me hit Control-N for new, is a 250 pixel per inch file, and the width in inches will be 11 by 17. That'll be a new document now. I'll go back to my Buffalo document, and I'll copy that. I'll go back to my new document, which is my final size document, and Control-V to paste. I've got a fairly good size to work with here. So this is at 300 pixels per inch, and I get a good quality document here to work with. This is very important to take note of. The thing that you do get from Google is basically copyright proof. So if you're not going to make money from this and you're using this for school purposes, you have no concerns about copyright issues. Okay guys, I hope this helped, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.